I know how hard it is to find healthy and satisfying snacks. Most of what's out there is either full of sugar or leaves you unsatisfied. But Prime Plus Wagyu is different. It's clean, high in protein, low in carbs, and absolutely delicious. Whether you're trying to get in shape or manage your blood sugar, these beef bites are what you've been looking for. They're made from 100% Wagyu beef with no artificial ingredients, no junk, just pure, clean fuel for your body. Once you try them, you'll understand. It's the easiest way to stick to your diet and feel good about what you're eating.